Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in the previous video, as we have covered the installation of Ubuntu, as we are starting our Linux series, so this is our next video in which we will start with the some of the basic command. Basically we will talk about the ls command in our Linux machine. Okay, so I hope you have successfully installed the Linux machine, or Ubuntu you can say. So now I will start my machine by going into my virtual box, and then this is the OS which we had installed in the previous video. Okay, so let me start my machine, and then we will talk about the one of the basic Linux command, like every beginner start with that only command, and then after that they become superior in that particular Linux commands. Okay, so basically we will start with the ls command. So let's wait. uh, it will take some approx 2 to 3 minutes of time for boot up. So it's loading now. Let's wait. Okay, battery saver. Okay, I hope you have remember your username and password, like it's required now. Yeah, here, enter. It will come up in the whole screen, I think. Yeah, so now here is our Linux system, which we had already installed yesterday. If you have not watched the previous video, then please go and watch that video, because without this you will not be able to follow us. Okay, if you have already installed, then it's fine. If you have not installed, then you can go for it. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to first of all learn the one of the basic command, like ls command. But before that, you should have some familiarity with this like environment, about Linux environment. Like here you can see the browser, web browser, mail. Here you can see the files, that just like in our Windows system there is the this one, file explorer. Similarly here is also that thing. Okay, you can access the different folders, documents, and then downloads, music, whatever thing you will download from web browser, it will get downloaded in this particular video, in this particular, sorry, downloads for directory. And here is some public folder, and here is nothing. Okay, and also you will get the trash, videos, pictures, all these things. Okay, so these are the all things which you will get. So now what we have to do, you will need to first of all open up the terminal. You can go from here, and then you can click on terminal. Okay, but also there is a shortcut for opening the terminal, is the control alt t. Okay, so now I will cut this, and you can just hit control alt and then t, so it will like open one of the terminal. So this is our terminal, and on this particular thing we will work. So let me maximize it. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, just wait a minute. uh, yeah, now it should be visible to you guys. Okay, so the first command which we will learn about in this video is the ls command. So what is ls command? First we will talk about this, what is ls command. Just think about ls. Is nothing but the list, the content. So we use the ls command to list the contents of a particular directory. Okay, if you are, suppose you are in a desktop directory, so you want to get all what are the files, what are the directories in that particular desktop. If you want to get it, so you will use a simple command that is called as ls command. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just hit ls. Okay, so now I am in the home folder, and where you can see the desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, and all these things. Okay, So what I will do for the purpose of showing you, I will just open up the files in my here on my screen. I will try to minimize it. Okay, yeah, here you can see I am already on the home directory. Okay, from here you can see also, I hope it's visible. Let me minimize the size of this particular window. Yeah, now here you can see this is the home and the same content which we are getting also here. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the command ls. So this is the basic work which it does, like it just lists the content of that particular um, folder or particular directory in which you are present. So if I will go in the desktop, and here you can see one file has been created, desktop. So now what we will do, we will just here click on open a terminal. Okay, and then now you can see where are you, you are in the desktop. Now here when you will do ls, so here also you can see you are getting that particular directory test as it is. Okay, so I hope you got the idea about how the ls works, what are the main purpose behind this. Okay, so now what I will talk about with you is the flags, or you can say the options or arguments. So there are many options or arguments which we use with the ls command. Okay, so I will use show you the first one is l, that is small l. So this is the basically the format, or you can say the syntax for the like commands, like there will be command name, then hyphen, then the whatever the option which you want to provide with it. So what this command will basically do, hyphen l just stands for the long format. Okay, it will show you the all the files and direct in the long format. So I will just hit enter, and now you will learn a thing like, wow, what is this now. You will get a bit of confused about it. Okay, so let me tell you about these things, like these are the some permissions. Okay, uh, like read, write, execute. There will be a separate video on this permission because this is a very important topic. Okay, and then there is a username, group name, this is the file size and the dates and all, then the last modification date, time. So the I had created the one desktop folder at 1:53 a.m., so that's why it is showing at this time 1:53. Okay, so now what I will do, I will create one folder in documents. Okay, and here I will do new folder, and here I will give it the name as ls command. Okay, here you can see the documents folder, and in that we have a ls command. Now what I will do, I will just again hit the ls-l here. Now you can see the last modification time of that particular directory document is 217, and here also you can say it's now 218 now. Okay, I hope you got the idea about this hyphen l format, like it basically displays you the result in the long format. Okay, so this is the main purpose of this l hyphen l flag. Now let me talk you about some other flags, like h flag. Okay, so h flag basically does the like it will show you the format in the human readable format. Okay, like as you can see this is a 4096, you will not get what is this, basically it is the file size. Okay, and if I will do hyphen h, then you will get some difference. Let me create one more terminal so that you can differentiate between both the result. Okay, let me minimize it. Okay, my battery is low. Okay, now what I will do here, ls hyphen l hyphen h. Okay, we can use the separate as a separate flag, or we can just combine both together. I will show you after this. Okay, don't worry about it. So here now you can see this is showing me the human readable format. What is 36? It is 36 kb, and then 4 KB, 4 KB, 4 KB. This is the size of all directories. And there is some basic concept about it. I will tell you later in that particular video when we will come across with the more description about these things. Like it is basically related to the hard link, soft link kind of concept in Linux. Okay, so as this is a beginner purpose video, so we'll not cover this at this time, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so I had used ls -l -h. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just combine both things. Okay, -lh, as you can see there will be no difference, and it will also knows, like it will also not provide me like this command is basically like invalid or anything else. So you can see we can write like this also, or we can write like this also. So now one more command you will need now, the clear command. What this command will do, I hope you guessed it right. This will just clear all this screen. Okay, I will just hit enter, and yeah, boom, you got clear. Okay, now let's move about some other flags which we will use. The simple flag is also the a flag. What it does, you will understand, like it will list all the files and directory. Okay, the hidden files also it will show us. And here you can see we are getting this bash history, logout, bash rc file, all these files which we are getting here. Okay, now let me show you here also, so you will get an idea about it, how it's working. You can go here, and it should be somewhere like hidden files. Yeah, here you can see the show hidden files is unchecked. Now we will check it, and then yeah, boom, you can see the same result as we have bash rc, and here is also the .bash rc file and other some files which are present here also. Okay, so for now I am again unchecking it, so it should be simple. Okay, so now we can combine the -l option with this also, like al. We are getting the same thing but one in the long format. Okay, like this is the same permissions, numbers, some kind of, and the ayush, that is the username and group, and root is the root user who we will get about this, what is root and all these things when we will learn about the user creation things in Linux. Okay, so I hope you got it, the -l option also. Okay, let me tell you one more flag which are important here, -ld. Okay, what we will do in this, when we will combine the L with D, directory D stands for directory, and want to get the details of the, let's get documents directory. Yeah, now here we can see you are getting the details for a specific directory, that is documents. Okay, and here is the same thing that we were getting earlier, you can match it with it, like documents. And here also you can see the permissions, users, group size, and the last modification time. Okay, this is the ld. So these are the some basic flags which you can use with the ls command. Okay, and that's all for today. Also, if you want more practice on it, you can go here also on tryhackme.com. Like this is a platform on which there is a Linux tutorials or something you can say. uh, Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I got it here. mm, in the learn, it should be in the learning path or somewhere else. Yeah, Linux fundamentals. Okay, if you want more in-depth knowledge, or you want to practice some your skills, then you can go on this platform also. Okay, so that's all for today, And I hope you understood about the ls command. If you they see it, Linux is just like about your practice. If you do more practice, you will get more familiar with it. Like when I had started, it was like what is this thing and what is this terminal. I was get scared of this terminal, but when you start practicing with it, when you play with this, then you will get an idea about, oh yes, you can understand it. Okay, so that's all for today, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and hit a like button if you like this. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.